You can navigate to the Sales module in two ways. One, by clicking the Sales button on the main menu. By clicking this button, you'll navigate directly into the Sales module and land on the first invoice in the system. But another way to navigate to the Sales module that's usually more effective is by going to the Customer module and then selecting the customer that you'd like to either create an invoice for or view an invoice that is being created for. So from the Customer module, click on the Invoices tab, and then you see a list of past invoices, and you could also create a new invoice from this module. Right now we'll just navigate to an invoice that was created for this customer by clicking the small square button to the left of the invoice record. The Invoice module includes a data entry screen where you'd add line items for items that were purchased by the customer. You could add freight, you could add miscellaneous costs down on the bottom. A tax rate will automatically auto-enter from the customer record if the customer is charged tax, and also a discount percent will automatically enter from the customer record if those fields on the customer record have data in them. The Invoicing module is the same as all modules in the system, where it includes a submenu with buttons for performing functions and navigation that is needed to create invoices. For instance, you can navigate between the Customer module, which will change the form view and navigate to the current customer record, and you can and it'll show the customer list. And you can navigate back to the Invoices module by clicking the Invoices button. And now it changed the form view back to the invoice. Now it has the invoices list down on the bottom, and it's back to the invoice submenu. And then down in the bottom left, as in all modules, there's a list view for the records in the database, and you can navigate to different invoices by clicking the buttons in the list view, and that'll change and select the record in the form view above. This is very quick navigation between records. And then you can also filter the records in this list based on the status of the invoice. So for instance, I'll click pending shipment. It'll find all records in the database that are pending shipment. I'll click new. This will find any new invoices that are created. I'll click shipped, find shipped, and you can click find all to find all the records in the database. And you can also sort these records in this list by clicking any of the headings at the top of the list above the fields. So for instance, I'll sort by customer name, and you can see they all sort in ascending order by customer name. To create a new invoice, you start from the Customer module. Right now we're still in the Invoices module. I'll now navigate back to the Customers module, and then I'll click on the Invoices tab, and then you click the New Invoice button. We will go into more detail on creating new invoices and all the data entry for line items in a future training movie.